Hello guys, welcome to another video. My name is Tin and today I will show you a couple of strategies for growing your Instagram in 2020. So as you can see, this is my personal brand right here. I also have my brand which is called Drive Towards Success. If we click on it right here, and you can see that I pretty much have some knowledge in growing Instagram pages and in growing brands on Instagram. And let me just go here back to my personal brand, and yeah, I just wanted to give you a couple of tips right here. But yeah, let me just pull it up on the right. I have some notes that I want to share with you. So first of all, this is my personal brand, as I said, and of course the first thing that people will see, the first tip that I can give you is fix up your profile. Now when you're first going into Instagram and when you first want to grow your Instagram, first thing that people are going to look at is your photo, which is avatar, your avatar, right? So I have a clear photo right here with a black and white portrait picture of me, and behind is a yellow background because I have a yellow theme right here. And this is also something that I wanted to state, is that having a for example, black and yellow theme really is kind of like attractive thing to have. It doesn't have to be black and yellow. It could be, your type of colors, your favorite colors, right? Also have your highlights, designed very good. I mean, these are just, I designed myself, but yeah, those are good. And also in bio, state what you do. So for example, here I stated I help e-commerce brands earn more money and scale through Facebook advertising, because that's something my agency focuses on. So that's what I did. And then I also have like owner of Drive Towards Success, which is my brand, as I already showed you, and Fuel Your Digital, which is only my Instagram page for my agency. I don't have any content on it. But yeah, overall, when you're looking to grow your Instagram profile, I would say first, content is the king and consistency is the key, right? So I think a lot of YouTubers already told you this, but yeah, basically that's the only key that will separate you from success and failure. For example, if you can see, I started posting back in November 24th, and I stopped posting 3 days ago, right? So I mean, I've been consistent through it all, and I earned around 800 followers through that period. I had this account before, but through this period I earned 800 followers, and this was just 31 posts, and I was consistent. Like every day I posted, so every day from November 24th till 3 days ago, which was, let me just see, which was 1st of January or 31st of December last year, which was 2019, right? So this is something that you have to keep in mind. But yeah, besides that, I think networking plays a big role. I network with a lot of creatives, a lot of people that were in my niche, and with that I established connections and I established friends. They shared me on my they shared my posts on their story, and I did the same for them. And with that, they grown my brand and they grown their brand as well. So this is something that you have to keep in mind. Networking is a really big part. But yeah, I just wanted to, so basically inbound marketing is another tip that I wanted to give you. What is inbound marketing? Basically, inbound marketing is basically there's two types of marketing on Instagram, right? Inbound and outbound, right? And inbound marketing is basically you attracting customers through your content. So for example, in the importance of content, a lot of my clients, I also do content, so a lot of my clients don't really know the importance of content. So I targeted my clients with that post, the importance of content, and they basically came and I signed my first client with this post. So it's really crazy, but that's how it works, because these carousel images are kind of like funnels, right? You first drive the attention, and then as you go down, you basically call them to make an action, right? So as you can see, at the end slide, I tell them, you want to step up your marketing and content strategy, direct message me and let's schedule a call. And I also give them like a arrow where they should contact me, and they also give them my personal face, like my face, so they can see that I'm a real person, right? That I'm not just kind of a robot or a person behind the logo. And yeah, I think that's really the key. Inbound marketing is basically what I said. It's getting customers through your content. So pick a niche, know who your target customers are, and then just target them. So for example, before I used to help others with the content, a lot of content, and what I did is I made this post, the importance of content, of course. Then I also made a post what and why marketing, right? So I explained why marketing is the key for their business, for my client businesses. So yeah, this is something that you have to keep in mind. So yeah. Also, I have a quote here: "Content is fire, social media is the gasoline," and this really, puts my client into like perspective that content marketing is something they need, right? And yeah, honestly, I have a lot more tips on my blog, so I will link my blog down below. I basically publish for every video. I publish one post article on my blog, which is really good article. So for example, this article right here, let me just draw it here, which is 15 marketing tips to help grow your brand on Instagram in 2020. And I just gave you a lot of value through this blog post. And yeah, I honestly would like to share value on my Drive Towards Success blog, and you can click here. I will also have a link down below if you want to check it out. It will mean a world to me if you could check it out. But yeah, I post pretty much weekly on this blog. So yeah, guys, that has been it. So this is my brand. I also wanted to show you my second brand, which is Drive Towards Success. And I just wanted to show you that some posts from here. So for example, I also repurpose the content. So for example, this content, how Phil Knight started his Nike brand. So basically, Phil Knight was a Nike creator or a founder with one guy, which was Bill Bowerman, I think, right? And they made Nike famous as it is right now. So yeah, and just sharing stories in general will get you more people, because sharing interesting stories, people will just flock to your page. And yeah, honestly, yeah, I just wanted to show you that. But yeah, honestly, that's about it. This is my blog, as I already said. And yeah, so guys, if you want more tips, as I said, down below is my blog link, and you can click it and you can see more strategies. But yeah, guys, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video next week. Thank you, guys.